want to start a side hustle, but your wallet's looking like it's on a diet? Good news, you don't need money to make money. Today, I'll show you how to start a profitable side hustle in the US with zero investment, using tools you already have. Before you start, ditch the myth that you need capital to begin. What you really need is skill, consistency, and a plan. Free resources are everywhere, but only work if you actually take action daily. Start with what you know. Can you write, design, or edit videos? Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you create a profile for free. Even if you're new, you can offer simple services like social media posts, basic graphic design, or resume writing. Use free tools to deliver professional work. Canva for design, CapCut for editing, ChatGPT for writing, and Google Docs for collaboration, all 100% free. Not into computers? No problem. Try pet sitting, babysitting, or house cleaning in your neighborhood. Apps like Rover, Care.com, and TaskRabbit connect you to clients with zero upfront cost. Want cash fast? Sign up for DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Instacart. No fancy car? Some allow bikes or walking deliveries in big cities. Drop shipping and print on demand let you sell products without buying stock. Shopify and Etsy have free trials, and sites like Printify integrate to handle printing and shipping for you. Document your side hustle journey on social media. TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts are free to use and can bring in clients or add revenue. Join Facebook groups, LinkedIn communities, or Reddit forums related to your hustle. Share value first, and clients will find you. Once you start earning, reinvest into tools or ads to grow faster. The first $100 you make should go toward improving your service quality. Don't try 10 side hustles at once. Pick one, stay consistent, and give it at least 90 days before switching. The biggest mistake is quitting too early. Day 1 to 7. Pick your hustle and set up accounts. Day 8 to 20. Start offering services or creating content daily. Day 21 to 30. Improve your skills, get feedback, and start marketing. You don't need money to start, you need action. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, and check out my other videos to start your journey from broke to boss.